Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Caesar salad for weight loss. We'll focus on smart ingredient choices that keep the classic flavor while reducing calories. By swapping out heavy components for lighter alternatives, you can enjoy this delicious meal without compromising your health goals. It's all about making informed decisions to create a satisfying and nutritious salad that supports your journey. To lighten your Caesar, consider some key ingredient swaps. Instead of heavy croutons, try baking thin slices of whole wheat pita bread until crispy. For the dressing, Greek yogurt or even silken tofu can provide that creamy texture with significantly fewer calories and more protein. And for protein, lean grilled chicken or roasted chickpeas are excellent choices over high-fat bacon. Proper preparation is crucial for a great, healthy Caesar. Always wash and thoroughly dry your romaine lettuce. This prevents a watery salad and helps the dressing adhere better. Making your dressing from scratch allows you to control the amount of oil and other ingredients, ensuring it's light and flavorful. When cooking your protein, opt for grilling or baking without excessive added fats. Portion control is vital for weight loss, even with healthy ingredients. Too much dressing can add hundreds of calories, so measure it carefully. Perhaps 2 tablespoons is ideal. Ensure your salad has a generous amount of fresh vegetables to fill you up and provide essential nutrients. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals that can enhance your daily comfort. Enjoy crafting your delicious, healthy Caesar salad, knowing you're making smart choices for your well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.